Hey there, are you struggling with your Sharp TV having no sound? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people face this issue, but the good news is that there are solutions available to get your audio back on track. In this guide, we'll cover how to fix Sharp TV no sound and get your entertainment experience back on track. Let's explore some straightforward methods to restore the sound on your Sharp TV and ensure you're back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies in no time. Step 1. Check the volume settings. Before diving into more technical solutions, it's important to check the basics. First, make sure your TV is not on mute. Use the remote control or the buttons on the TV itself to increase the volume. Ensure that any external speakers or sound systems are powered on and their volumes are also turned up. Sometimes remote malfunctions can cause unintentional changes to sound settings, so double check all levels and settings. Step 2. Inspect the audio output settings. Your Sharp TV has various audio output settings that may need adjusting. Navigate to the audio settings menu. You can do this by selecting the menu button on your remote, then going to Settings and Audio. Ensure that the audio output is set to the correct device, whether it be the TV speakers or an external sound system. If your TV is connected to a soundbar or home theater system, make sure the right input is selected. Step 3. Check cable connections. Loose or damaged cables could be the culprit behind your sound issues. Inspect all cables connected to your TV, particularly the HDMI and audio cables. Make sure they are securely connected to the appropriate ports. If you're using an optical cable for audio, confirm that it is firmly in place. Try replacing any damaged cables with new ones to see if that resolves the issue. Step 4. Update the TV's firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to sound problems. Check your Sharp TV for any available firmware updates. Go to the menu option on your remote, then navigate to Settings, followed by System and Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Keeping your TV's firmware up to date can fix bugs and improve overall performance, including sound-related issues. Step 5. Reset the TV. If none of the previous steps resolved the issue, consider performing a factory reset. This will revert your TV to its original settings, but should be a last resort, as it will erase all personal settings and installed apps. To reset, navigate to Settings on your TV, choose System, then select Reset or Factory Reset. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Once finished, see if the audio problem persists. Experiencing no sound on your Sharp TV can be frustrating. But with these steps on how to fix Sharp TV no sound, you can tackle the issue effectively. Remember to start with the basics like checking volume and cables before moving on to more involved solutions like firmware updates and factory resets. By methodically working through each step, you'll likely restore your TV's sound and get back to enjoying your viewing experience. If these solutions don't resolve your problem, it might be time to contact Sharp customer support for further assistance or consider professional repair services. Remember, with patience and the right approach, most audio issues can be resolved. Happy viewing!